Finding happiness. Subhanallah, the Quran seeks to increase our sa'ada, to increase our mahabba and love for each other. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lets us know that the pathway to true happiness, to true joy in life, to having the farah, فَبِذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. Tell the believers to rejoice at fulfilling the deeds of good deeds. There are days of Eid and there are days of celebration, but all of them are marked in a way of connecting ourselves to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Finding true happiness in finding a restful heart and a tranquility of purpose where our iman and our reminders that are sent to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are seen reflected in our behaviors. أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبِ. Surely it is in the remembrance of God that our hearts will find rest. وَقَلْبُهُ مُطْمَئِنٌّ بِالْإِيمَانِ. Allah tells us one whose heart has found its tranquility through their connection and their faithfulness in Allah. There is no true joy, there is no complete satisfaction, there is no sa'ada if it does not include Allah as a part of the outlook of life. And you can live as much as you seek, gathering as many material things as you want to have and own and be dominant and powerful of. None of that gives you the contentment of heart that can be found in knowing that with Allah is the truth and the reality that I seek in a life that goes beyond the existence that is temporal and will be cut short without my permission or my ability. I want you to know, my dear brother, that and sister, that as a philosophy we have in Islam, that there is nothing you and I own in this world. And if you think about it, the ownership is only for Allah. We're only keepers of certain things at certain periods of time. But the house you live in, others will live in it. The bed you lay in, others may assume it. The wealth that you have amassed in your bank is not yours if you can be taken from it, and it can be spent by others in your absence once you have returned to your Lord and Maker. And therefore there is nothing that belongs to you. كُلُّ شَيْءٍ هَالِكٌ إِلَّا وَجْهَهُ. Everything will be laid to waste and nothing remains but the magnificence and the face of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. لِمَنِ الْمُلْكُ الْيَوْمِ. To who will the kingdoms belong to on that day? لِلَّهِ الْوَاحِدِ الْقَهَّارِ. So live your life seeking happiness not just through your investments and attainments and material possessions, but in knowing that the one who provides and the one who restrains you from them is Allah. So seek Allah and you will be given that which you seek in contentment in the heart. The great Imam al-Shafi'i, he said, "Man arad ad-dunya فَعَلَيْهِ بِالْعِلْمِ وَالْقُرْآنِ." The one who wants to have the delights of this world, let him study this knowledge and the Qur'an. وَمَنْ أَرَادَ الْآخِرَةِ فَعَلَيْهِ بِالْعِلْمِ وَالْقُرْآنِ. And the one who seeks the next life, let him busy themselves with the knowledge of God and the study of the Qur'an. May Allah make you and I of them. Allahumma ameen.